Hey, English learners, welcome back to your favorite podcast with David and Alice.
Hey, Alice. Have you ever felt nervous at the airport?
Oh, yes, David.
Airports can be exciting, but they can also feel stressful, especially if you need to speak English.
Exactly. You may need to answer questions, ask for help, or understand instructions.
And if your English is not strong yet, that can feel scary.
That's why today's lesson is super useful.
Yes, today we're going to practice English conversations at the airport.
We'll show you simple sentences you can really use in real life.
So if you travel or want to travel one day, this lesson is for you.
And before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more easy English lessons.
Because on this channel, we help you speak real English with confidence.
All right, let's go to the airport. Okay, Alice, let's start from the beginning. You arrive at the airport. What do you do first?
Usually, the first thing I do is find the check-in desk.
Exactly. And if you need help, you can ask, "Excuse me, where's the check-in desk?"
That's a very useful sentence.
Yes, let's practice it together.
Repeat after us. Excuse me, where is the check-in desk?
Very good.
Then, when you reach the desk, the airline staff may ask, "Can I see your passport, please?"
And you can answer, "Yes, here you are."
Simple and polite.
Now let's do a real check-in conversation. Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
All right, please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay,
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A12.
thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Great. Now let's explain a few important words.
First, passport.
A passport is the official document you use when you travel to another country.
Second, check-in.
To check in means to arrive and register for your flight.
Third, boarding pass.
A boarding pass is the paper or digital ticket that tells you your flight information and gate number.
And fourth, gate.
The gate is the place where you wait before entering the plane.
David, what if I'm not sure about my baggage?
Good question. You may need to ask something like, "How many bags can I check in?"
Or, is this bag too heavy?
Yes, very useful. Let's try a short conversation.
Excuse me, is this bag too heavy?
Let me check. Yes, it is a little overweight.
Oh, I see. What should I do?
You can remove some items or pay an extra fee.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. After check-in, where do you go next?
You go to security.
Right. At security, you may hear instructions like, "Please put your bag on the belt,"
Or, take off your jacket.
or "Please walk through the scanner."
That part can feel stressful, so it's good to know these words.
Let's do a simple security conversation. Please place your bag on the belt.
Okay,
Please take out your laptop.
sure.
And please remove your jacket.
No problem.
Now walk through the scanner, please.
All right.
Thank you. You can collect your things now.
Thank you. Okay, now I have my boarding pass and I finished security. What next?
Now you need to find your gate.
And maybe you need to ask for directions.
Exactly. You can say, "Excuse me, where is gate A12?
Or, how can I get to B5?
Perfect. Let's practice.
Excuse me, where is gate A12?
Go straight, then turn left. It's near the coffee shop.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you arrive at the gate and wait for boarding.
Sometimes you may hear an announcement.
Yes, something like, "Flight 204 to Paris is now boarding."
Or, passengers in Group 1 may board now.
And if you don't understand, you can ask, "Excuse me, is this the line for boarding?"
Very useful.
Let's do one more conversation. "Excuse me, is this the line for boarding?"
Yes, it is. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And after that, you get on the plane.
Right. Sometimes you may need help finding your seat.
You can say, "Excuse me, where is seat 14A?"
Or, "Can you help me with my bag?"
Let's try it. Excuse me, where is seat 14A?
It's on the left near the window.
Thank you.
My pleasure. All right, let's review some useful airport sentences.
You can say, "Where is the check-in desk?"
Can I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Where is gate A12?
Is this the line for boarding?
Where is seat 14A?
These are simple sentences, but they can help you a lot.
Now let's do a quick speaking practice.
Repeat after us.
Where is the check-in desk?
Good.
Can I see your passport, please?
Nice.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Excellent.
Where is gate A12?
Perfect.
Is this the line for boarding?
Great job. So now you know how to handle simple English conversations at the airport.
And the more you practice, the more confident you'll feel when you travel.
Here's your challenge.
Write one airport sentence in the comments.
For example, where is gate B3? Or, can I see your passport, please?
And if you want more beginner English conversations,
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
because on this channel, we help you speak real English with confidence.
All right, let's go to the airport.
Take care and keep practicing your English.